move on to education. Has anybody here taken drum lessons before? Anybody taken a drum lesson of any kind? Cool. If you were a brand new drummer, I think one of the worst things I could do for you is put you on a schedule of rudiments, for example, or talk about sheet music and how a staff works, right? There are so many ways to make drums boring immediately for new drummers because they are in the honeymoon phase, right? When you're new to drums, you're absolutely in love with it. And I think as an educator, it's my responsibility to make sure you stay interested in playing drums. I can't give you the boring stuff. There's a lot of boring stuff when we play drums. But we want to save that for later. We want to save that for once you're invested. Those are not things we want to talk about in the first year. Tuning falls into that category. Does anybody here like tuning drums? All right, we got a couple weirdos over here, but most people, especially new drummers, beginning drummers, don't. You like tuning? Man, okay, all right, good for you. That is not common. Most people really find tuning to be very difficult and very boring. It takes a long time to get good at tuning drums. With electronic drums, tuning is not a thing. Actually, we can tune these drums, but the reason we physically tune them is just so they feel different. It makes them play a little bit different like response levels. The actual tuning, let me show you how this happens here. If I wanted my snare up a little bit, that's tuning on an electronic kit. Also, fun fact, a lot of people don't know this, we can tune our cymbals. The idea of tuning or changing the sound, the tone of your drums, right? The actual pitches of your drums and even your cymbals, that all of a sudden becomes fun to an early drummer. When it's time to learn acoustic drum tuning, maybe in year 2 or year 3, then they'll be interested in doing that. But it lets you skip a lot of the boring stuff for some of the young drummers. As an educator, it's a really, really important tool, Another one, night drum lessons. I cannot tell you how much money I lost early in my career as a drum teacher because I couldn't make noise after 8 p.m. Or I couldn't go to someone's house at 7 or 8 p.m. if they lived in an apartment. I can't go there and teach an acoustic drum lesson. The cops show up. That actually happens. That's happened to me many, many times, right? So the ability to record at night, but also teach lessons at night is a game changer. A lot of times, if any of you guys have ever taught drums before, it's not really an option until parents and kids are all off work and school and everybody's home. So your workday begins sometimes at 5 and 6 p.m. If it's dark out at 8 p.m., that means I have 3 hours to teach drum lessons. If we have electronic drums, that window opens up. That's a game changer for a lot of educators, right? Really, really big deal. Another one would be genre diversity, different types of music. So if you are a metal player and you say, I love teaching metal drum lessons, and so you have a metal student that comes in and you guys work on a metal song, and here's how your drums probably sound. Right? Good sounding metal kit. But now my next student wants to learn jazz. But if this is an acoustic kit, it still sounds the same way when my new student comes in. So now we're teaching a jazz lesson like this. Does that kick drum sound like a jazz kick drum to anybody? No? Yeah, that's really awkward. But on an electronic kit, we have the ability to change to a jazz kit for the jazz student. And now this sounds appropriate. Right? Any genre that you can think of. It's a huge strength to be a really versatile drum teacher, to teach a lot of different genres of music. This is a tool that lets you do that.